Greetings to all. Today's topic is protected areas. Protected areas are undisturbed habitats of wildlife for conserving and maintaining biological diversity. Areas both on land and in water are protected through laws and other means. First is National Park. A national park is a reserved area for wildlife where animals can roam freely in their habitats and utilize their natural resources. Grazing and cultivation of crops are not allowed, only tourism is permitted. They preserve flora, fauna, landscape, and historic objects of an area. Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest of India. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. In Satpura Tigers Reserves, significant increase in the population of tigers has been noticed. There are about 102 national parks in India. Some well-known national parks in our country are Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Gir National Park, Kanha National Park. Second is Wildlife Sanctuary. It is an area that is strictly reserved for the protection of wildlife in their natural habitat. A wildlife sanctuary provides protection and suitable living conditions to animals in their own natural habitat. Wildlife sanctuaries have typical landscape like broad level forest, mountain forest and bushlands in deltas of big rivers. Our wildlife sanctuaries protect and preserve some threatened species like black buck, white-eyed buck, elephant, golden cat, marsh crocodile, python, rhino, etc. There are about 500 wildlife sanctuaries in India. Some well-known sanctuaries are first, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is the seasonal destination of many migratory birds which show migration. Migration is a seasonal movement of animals to avoid unfavorable conditions in their natural habitat. Birds that cover long distance to reach another place. They migrate to lay eggs as the climate in their natural conditions become unfavorable to do so. For example, Siberian crane migrate from Siberia to India in groups during winter to avoid the extreme cold weather of Siberia. Second is Chilika Lake Bird Sanctuary. Third is Sultanpur Lake Bird Sanctuary. Fourth is Bandipur Sanctuary. Third is Biosphere Reserves, a large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources and traditional life of the tribal living in the area is called a Biosphere Reserve. There are 18 Biosphere Reserves in India. Some well-known Biosphere Reserves set up in our country are Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. A Biosphere Reserve may also contain other protected areas in it. For example, Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachmari. That's all for today. Thank you.